What if I told you the law of attraction actually works, but not for the reasons you have been told? You have heard this before. Think positive and the universe will give you what you want.
सब कुछ जो इंसान चाहता है मिलता कहाँ है यार?
क्यों? मुझे तो लगता है कि जो कुछ भी इंसान रियल में चाहता है, एक्चुअल में उसको लाइफ में वही मिलता है।
Sounds magical, right? But here's the truth. It's not magic. It is psychology. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system. Its job to filter reality. Every second, your brain is bombarded with millions of bits of information, but it only shows you what it thinks matters. And what decides that? Your focus. Have you ever thought of buying a car and suddenly you see the same car everywhere? That's not coincidence. That's your brain aligning the attention. Now connect this to the law of attraction. When you constantly think, I'm not good enough, I will never succeed, your brain filters reality to prove you right. You notice failures, you ignore opportunities. But when you shift to, I'll do this, I'll find a way, I'm improving, your brain starts spotting chances, people, possibilities you ignored before. That's not the universe changing. That's you changing what you see. And there's more. Psychology calls it self-fulfilling prophecy. What you believe affects how you act. How you act creates your results. And your results reinforce your beliefs. A loop. Even the studies like the Pygmalion effect prove this. People perform better simply because someone believed they would. So no, you can't just sit on your bed, visualize about Lamborghini and expect it to appear. But if your mindset shifts, your actions shift. If your actions shift, your life shifts. And suddenly, it feels like the universe responded. So the law of attraction isn't about attracting things. It's about becoming the person who notices things, who acts on them and who earns them. Because in the end, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are ready for. And if you enjoy exploring the psychology behind the human behavior, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। आज आप सब ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिलाया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने मेरे ख्वाबों को यकीन में बदल दिया। इतना कि आई फील लाइक द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। और आज इस बात का भी यकीन हो गया कि हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड में सब ठीक हो जाता है। हैप्पीज एंडिंग्स। और अगर ठीक ना हो तो वो दी एंड नहीं है दोस्तों। पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।